Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream gravy. Start by melting butter and whisking in flour to form a roux, then slowly add warm milk while stirring until silky smooth. Keep the heat moderate so the sauce thickens without burning, and adjust thickness with more milk or a short simmer. Finish with a knob of butter or a splash of cream for glossy richness that complements biscuits and mashed potatoes. Keep measurements simple. Equal parts butter and flour makes a reliable roux, then whisk in milk until smooth and thick. Use whole milk for creamier texture or half milk, half cream for extra richness. Season gradually with salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg, tasting as you go. For savory depth, stir in pan drippings, cooked sausage, or a splash of Worcestershire sauce to boost umami. Serve immediately for best texture. Quick recommendation: grab the book The Simple Path to Wealth if you want a fresh perspective on money while you enjoy comfort cooking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content. On another note, the book pairs nicely with a warm bowl of gravy and biscuits for cozy evenings. Check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid rushing the roux. Take time to cook butter and flour until slightly bubbling to prevent a raw taste. Temper the milk by warming it and add in slow streams while whisking to avoid lumps and separation. If sauce becomes too thin, simmer gently to reduce or whisk in a small extra roux. Practice makes perfect, so experiment with thickness and seasoning until the gravy matches your taste and meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.